So we work with probably 4 first-home buyers on any given time, and as slots come available, we take on more first-home buyers. That's not a lot, but we want to do the best job possible for the first-home buyers, and there's a fair bit of work. First-home buyers need guidance with regards to a conveyancer, with regards to the different programs that are available, and that's government programs, but also lender-specific programs. There's a few lenders that have options for first-home buyers that are non-government, but that can be very beneficial, like very low deposits options without a lender's mortgage insurance fee. We give guidance to first-home buyers when it comes to how to go out into the market and find the right property. That's not as straightforward as it seems. Many first-home buyers don't realize how competitive the market can be, or how much a real estate agent can manipulate different buyers and play them against each other to get the best price for the vendor. And that's their job. They don't work for us as buyers, they work for the vendor. But it's good for a first-home buyer to realize that, and often they don't. They think that a real estate agent is being friendly, they're their friend, they're there to help them get a property, and that's not necessarily the case. The job of a real estate agent is to get the best price for the vendor, and that can mean that I'm withholding information from you, Mr. Buyer, because there's about another buyer, or about the fact that there's not another buyer, and I'm just going to let you bid against yourself. There's lots of tactics that real estate agents can use, and as a first-home buyer, you're often not aware of that, and you are paying too much, or you're stressing out about things that are happening around that property that you might not need to. And we educate the first-home buyers on all these steps to get ready and to ask the questions that help them uncover what's really going on. There's also opportunities to find pre-market properties. There's often talk about pre-market and off-market properties. And pre-market is something that is more relevant than off-market. Off-market properties you don't see at all, but pre-market means it's being advertised to a select group of buyers before it's generally listed on the open market. And that's because the real estate agent wants to gauge what's going on in the market, but also to try and get a quick sale as soon as it hits the market. And if in that time frame, because a real estate agent will know that a property is going to come up for sale, they've signed the agency agreement, but there's still staging to be done, or there's some repairs to be done. There is legal aspects around the contract maybe that needs to be done. And so there's a delay between the agent knowing that the property is going to be listed and the day it's actually listed online. And that time frame can often be used by a real estate agent to reach out to his hot buyer list and find out what they think of the property, if it's the right property for them. And we help first home buyers understand how to get on that hot buyers list, how to find the right agents for the property that you're looking for, and then what questions to ask, how to inform the agent, how to make sure that they will advise you, keep you in mind when that perfect property for you comes onto the market, is coming onto the market. So there's a lot of steps involved in the first home buyer process. We've mapped that out, we've created a course, and we help our first home buyer clients navigate that landscape.